Whether you're conducting a route survey, pre-running a route, or leading a load on a move, you should always approach obstructions slowly and carefully to prevent damage. If your pole hits, stop and measure the obstruction. On busy roads, you'll need a second person to help guide traffic around you as you take your measurements. Make sure to measure the obstruction at its highest and lowest points, and note any girders or other pieces that might differ in height. If the obstruction is on a highway, it may be rampable. Make sure to note the exit number and configuration of the ramp. If you're measuring a stoplight, remember that they can be fragile. Measure them from the side rather than touching them with the high pole. You should never ever lift a power line. Approach all wires with caution and treat them as hot. Contact the utility company if you need them lifted. If your high pole can't clear an obstruction and it can't be raised, moved, or ramped, your team will have to request an alternate route. Remember, running a high pole is an advanced skill and should only be done by PIVOs who have plenty of experience.